I'm back again with another project. This time the beautiful Pinocchio range. Oh, I loved it. I loved working with this, and I made the most beautiful workshop for Gepetto, and I'll see if I can get that into the video also. But this is the junk journal that goes into the project. So I'm just going to do a quick flip through. I used the spine of an old Oxford dictionary, which I loved, and the box, the workshop doors are from the front cover and the back cover of the dictionary. So this is my junk journal. I've put some embellishments on there, and if we go through it quickly, I'll just page through it. This is part of the paper that I've incorporated as a book. Tuck spot. This is hand dyed paper, tea dyed paper. This is some of the scrapbook paper of the range. Some pockets. Some old dictionary pages. Just pockets made from the paper. A bag with a tag inside, a glycine bag with another tag, some of the scrapbook paper. This is just a flip open, another bag where you can add tags, another bag, a tuck spot. Let me get a piece of paper so I can just show you the tuck spots. That's a tuck spot. Dictionary paper. Love this range. Some doily, again hand dyed paper, another pocket. Love this. Just more hand dyed paper. Envelope where you can add something. Another bag, 2 pockets. Tuck spot. This is also a tuck spot where you can put something in. Another pocket for tags. This is the perfect gift, another pocket for somebody who's maybe expecting a little boy, and she can record everything for him from his birth. Another tuck spot into the junk journal. Another tuck spot, the key to my heart. Another pocket. Haven't added tags into all the pockets. I think the end user or the person who this will be gifted to, they can add pictures, belly band there. Another tuck spot. This is the perfect journal space. Another envelope. Another tuck spot. Bag. A bag where you can add something. Just an old book page. Old London stories, which I love. Another bag where you can add pictures, and this is the back of the envelope, and that is it. And this is the back, the spine and the front cover. So yes, hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you're inspired to do something similar. Enjoy your day.